Today we're checking out an amazing handwriting app called INKredible that aims to make writing on your tablet or phone feel just like pen on paper. This app focuses on giving you a smooth and natural note-taking experience that's simple and distraction-free. From the moment you open INKredible, you'll notice how clean and minimal the interface is, with a blank page that lets you focus on writing instead of menus. The app uses advanced vector graphics to make your strokes look beautiful and clean at any size, even if you zoom in close. One of the best features is automatic palm and wrist rejection, so you can write comfortably without accidental marks appearing when your hand touches the screen. This makes it great for handwriting notes, sketches, or quick ideas whenever inspiration strikes. INKredible is designed to bring back that old-school feel of pen and paper while giving you all the flexibility of digital tools. You can choose different colors and pen styles, and your handwritten notes stay crisp and clear whether you view them on your device or share them with others. The app is free to use with optional in-app purchases that unlock extra features, and it's been downloaded millions of times, with many users praising how natural the writing feels. It's ideal for students in class, professionals in meetings, or anyone who loves jotting down ideas quickly and neatly. What sets INKredible apart from other note apps is its laser focus on handwriting quality and simplicity. You won't find cluttered toolbars or complicated menus, just a clean space to write and create. Whether you want to keep digital journals, sketch out concepts, or simply take better handwritten notes, INKredible brings a satisfying and realistic writing experience to your device. Try it today and see how close digital writing can feel to the real thing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more app reviews and tech insights right here.